disease caused in male like prostate and in female breast cancer and ovarian cyst. Cultural, economy and social status. Social support network. Education. Yeah, if a person is well educated, he and she is knowing about how disease is transmitted to one person to another person, the importance of diet, nutrition, food, then person is healthy. If he and she is not knowing about the disease, then how a human being prevent from a number of diseases? Employment and working condition. This is a very important thing. If working condition is not good, then a person is not able to work properly. According to laws, a person required 1 meter cubic space for proper working. If person is not having proper space, accident may be occur. So safety, security, all these things is properly safety, security जितने भी aspect है वो proper होना चाहिए. So these are the determinants of health. Global force government policies, early child development, psychosocial lifestyle, biology. Yeah, if person is not adopting healthy lifestyle, he and she is suffering from numbers of diseases, stress, depression, constipation. If biological cycle is not running properly, then person is suffering from numbers of diseases. Then, as is environment, socio-economic, community and social content, culture. This is the global process, global force government policy. Now, how is health in a given community? Indicators of health. First, required to measure the health status of a community, compare health status of country with other, for assessment of healthcare need, for allocation of resource, monitoring and evaluation of health services. Indicators. These are the indicators required to measure health status of a community. Why indicators is important? It shows health status of a community. Compare compare with the health status with one country to another country. This thing is indicate that which country is having the numbers of health problem or which country is good in health or provide a good health facility. What is this? What this thing shows? For assessment of healthcare need, for allocation of resource, monitoring and evaluation of health. Now, these are the indicators. Mortality indicators. This thing shows the death rate of a specific disease. Morbidity indicator. This thing shows how many persons are suffering from a specific disease, disability. In the numbers of population, how many persons are disabled? They are not having a hand or any extremity. Nutritional status of indicator. This thing shows malnutrition, anemia. This is the indicator. Healthcare delivery indicator, utilization rate. A government provide numbers of things, but they are utilized or not. So this thing shows as a utilization rate. Indicators of social and mental health. Environmental indicators, socio-economic. Like USA is rich country and Bangladesh is poor country. So, an indicator show socio-economic indicators. So, USA provide a good health care to their यूएसए में रहते हैं उन लोगों को वो अच्छी हेल्थ सर्विसेज देते हैं, बट बांग्लादेश एंड पाकिस्तान एंड अफगानिस्तान they are not able to provide the good healthcare facilities. Health policy indicators, indicator of quality of life, and health policy indicator like in our country Ayushman Yojana is provided. Ayushman Yojana is very important for important thing or important policy that provide good quality healthcare services to poor people. Concept of disease. Now we will discuss about the. Before we will discuss about the concept of health. Now we will discuss about the concept of disease. How disease occur. Webster defined disease a condition in which body health is impaired, a departure from a state of health and alteration of human body, interrupting the performance of vital function. Ecological point, maladjustment of the health, human organism of the environment. WHO defined health but not disease. Because why WHO is defined health. Health is a physical, mental, social well-being and not merely absence of disease and infirmity. But WHO is not defined disease. Why? Because spectrum of disease, many stages. Disease is having many stages. Some acute or some individuals. Carrier state. In fact, some are related to organism or some other cause. Concept of possession. Up to the time Louis Pasteur, supernatural theory of human continuous mesmetic microorganism and germ theory. Epidemiology tried. What is epidemiology tried? This depends upon a germ theory has limitation. Not everyone exposed to TB develops. Like in this tried environment, agent and host. Agent, TB organism, we will discuss especially for the TB. Agent, TB organism. Host, poor nutrition, concurrent disease, low immunity, crowding, poor ventilation, bad sanitation. Tuberculosis caused by agent is tuberculosis organism Mycobacterium tubercle. It's an acid-fast bacilli. Cause poor nutrition. A person is having a poor nutrition, low immunity power. Poor nutrition cause numbers of deficiency disorder, malnutrition, and numbers of micronutrient deficiency cause low immunity. A person then suffering from tuberculosis. Environment. If person is having a poor immunity, but it may be chance he is not suffering from tuberculosis. But sometimes organism and host combined, then person is suffering from disease. Also, environment play a very important role for disease, like poor ventilation. A concentration of bacteria is higher in a room. A poor immunity person came into the room and inhaled that air. Person is suffering from disease because of his having a low immunity. He or she is having a low immunity. Bad sanitation cause like typhoid bacteria. Typhoid bacteria portal in human being is a orophical root. So poor bad sanitation also causes disease. Agent. First we will discuss about agent. An organism, a substance or a force, the presence or lack of which may initiate a disease process or may cause it to continue. May be a single or multiple living or biological agent, non-living, intermediate, nutrient, chemical and physical agent. These are the agents. Now biological agent, mainly arthropods. Biological agents are microorganism, bacteria, virus and fungal are the biological agents. Chemical agents, there are numbers of chemicals present all around of us. These cause a disease like alcohol cause cirrhosis of liver. Arsenic cause disease, and these are the chemical agents. Physical agents, atmospheric pressure, temperature, humidity, friction, radiation and sound. Atmospheric pressure cause disease, temperature, high temperature cause sunburn, humidity, due to humidity, sweating occur, so dehydration may be occur, friction, radiation cause cancer, sound, excessive sound is cause deafness. The host, man is a himself is a host. Demographic characteristic, genetic, some genes comes from ancestors, disease होती, socio-economic factor and lifestyle. Poor lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle cause a disease. Environment, internal environment and external environment. Internal environment, mindset, peace, sound of mind and external environment all around us cause disease. If person is not living in a healthy environment or living in a poor sanitation area, bad sanitation area, person is not living in a healthy environment cause disease. So external and internal environment is very important for the disease. A person is internally, mentally healthy, the external environment is good, healthy environment, so person is not suffering from any kind of disease. Multifactorial causation, not a new concept. Pettigrew and Munchis in 1991 was early proponent of this concept. Germ theory overdown this concept. Now that multifactorial causation, etiological, socio-economic and cultural, genetic and psychological. Today we will discuss, now I summarize my topic. Today we will discuss about first we will discuss about the concept of health. In this we will discuss about the biological concept, ecological concept, psychosocial concept, holistic concept. In this we will discuss about the germ theory, ecological, man and environment equilibrium, psychological, cultural, economical concept. Holistic synthesis of all the above concept. In this we will discuss definition of health. We will discuss the definition of health physically. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease and infirmity. Now we will discuss about the dimensions of health. WHO says mainly 3 dimensions: physical, mental and social dimension. Physical dimension, physically fit. Mentally, if person is mentally is not healthy, then he and she is suffering from disease. Then social, all around society, all where he is living socially healthy or not, is called disease. Now we will discuss about the spectrum of health, spectrum concept of health. Now then we will discuss about the determinants of health. There are numbers of determinants: physical environment, biological and genetic, personal health practice, health child development, health service and social services, social environment, gender, cultural, economic, income, social status, education and employment and working condition. Then we will discuss about the indicators: mortality, morbidity, disability, nutritional occupational status, healthcare, utilizational rate, indicator of social and mental health, environmental indicator, social economic indicator, health policy indicator, indicator of quality of life and other concept of health. Now then we will discuss the concept of disease. Then with germ theory, environmental agent, host, agent, biological agent, chemical agent, physical agent, host, man himself is a host, demographic, genetic factors, socio-economic, lifestyle, environment, internal environment and external environment. Thank you.